What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to have my IPSY box. This is my creator box, so I have the regular GLAM bag and the GLAM bag plus. And I peeked that I think I have an extra item too, so that was kind of random, and there's also like a little goodie in here that I didn't expect. So I'm very excited to unbox these with you, or unbag these with you. I am doing Halloween themed makeup every single day. Some days are just like a little something like this, and then some days are going to be a little bit more dramatic, but today I didn't have like a tremendous amount of time, although this was not that easy. Like, it looks like it would be so easy, but one side is much different. I'm gonna post this on Instagram because I used another artist's like look and just tried to like recreate it. I tweaked it just a tiny bit, like putting the color under the eye, but yeah, I thought it was really cool. So it's like a flat line, and then I had these anatomical heart earrings that I thought were really cool looking. And then I've got on, this is actually a bodysuit from Forever 21 I've had for a long time, but it's like this velvet, and I just thought it went so pretty. Really makes my blonde like pop, I feel like. Let me know. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check the bags out. First up, I mean, the design, this is maybe one of my all-time favorite designs. I absolutely love it. So it's like a faux leather, and it's got little vampire like lips and teeth, and I love that it has green. Like, it's a little bit unexpected because obviously you could do red, you know, and it would totally go, but I love the green. The zip is a little lipstick, and I love the design. I think it's really cute. And then it's just a plain on the back. So let's see what we got. All right, let's go ahead and just pull an item out. We have, ooh, this is the Tatcha Dewey Skin Cream. So I always seem to get the water cream, but this is definitely more for my skin type. So this is a small Tatcha moisturizer. This one's gonna be a little bit better suited for drier skin. I truly think anybody could use this, but if you want something that's a little creamier than the water cream, this is gonna be your friend. I cannot wait to try this out. I really want so much more Tatcha in my life. Honestly, it's a little pricey, but it's so good. So this is a great first item. Yeah, if you don't know, this line is based off of like geisha skincare routine. It's Japanese, and the owner is so nice too. I really like her. So anyway, that's our first product, Tatcha Dewy Cream. Let's see. Oh, all right, next up we have a Rena Beauty. Is this Lisa Rena? Is that her name? Maybe. Yeah, it's on the box. Well, I'm just like, is it? So this is a Guilty Pleasure lip gloss. That's the shade name, Guilty Pleasure. Let's go ahead and open this up. And okay, I mean, it's a pretty simplistic packaging. It's extremely nitpicky, but gunmetal on makeup isn't my favorite. I don't know why, it just isn't. That's really neither here nor there, but it's just a sleek looking gloss. Guilty Pleasure looks to be like a nude. I'm definitely going to try this out, so I will swatch it. So it's a peachy nude gloss. It is pretty pigmented. With glosses like this, I like to just kind of like line my lips and put it on, because there's really no need to layer it because there's so much color. It's like a little bit thick. It's definitely a little bit more on the tacky side, like it's a little sticky, but those glosses do tend to last longer, so there's the upside to that. Not my all-time favorite. Like, I prefer more like opaque color with a gloss on top, but definitely quick, easy, pretty, and the color's cute. I mean, most people are gonna like this. It's great for fall too, so yeah, I'll definitely try this on my lips. It does not go with what I have on my lips, otherwise I would put it on my lips. But I think we can see what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Definitely nice and opaque. Third item is, this is the M2U NYC Eye Primer. It says it's nude. 90% of the eye primers that I get are more like Too Faced eyeshadow primer, like Eyeshadow Insurance or like Urban Decay. And I think I've just found that for me, I found that for me, that more like wet, creamy bases like P. Louise work better. And this, let's see, because this might be, who knows? Let's see. Oh, it feels a little creamier, honestly. It's kind of like in between, honestly. Like, it kind of feels like I mixed P. Louise with eyeshadow primer potion or something like that. Like it's kind of a in between. It feels very smooth, but it is like a little bit damp feeling. So okay, this is interesting. I'll definitely try this out and use it with an eyeshadow look and see how it goes. The only thing I will say is this brand is really, really affordable. So it doesn't have a high value, but I would assume that this is a full size. And I mean, I would guess that this is too. So even though this is really affordable, I mean, this is like 2 full-size items in this bag so far, and we got Tatcha, so it's a pretty good deal so far. Let's keep looking. Oh, we got something from Way. Okay, Detox Shampoo. I actually love Way products. Some of them are a little bit overly fragrant, I do have to admit. Like sometimes it's just so perfumed that it's not my favorite, but I think the quality of their products is really good. So Detox Shampoo, I love getting little shampoos actually, because I always seem to be like leftover conditioner, so I will pop this in the shower and like use it with my like leftover conditioners, and it works out. So yeah, I like this too. I like detox shampoos as well, because I'm trying to go like as many days as I can without washing, letting like the natural oils, you know, get into my hair and hydrate itself and not like super dry it, because I have been blonde for a while now, and that is many times in the chair with the bleach, so I know that I'm damaging my hair. So yeah, anyway, so a detox shampoo is great because I use a lot of dry shampoo, and I basically use dry shampoo almost apart from the first day that I wash my hair. I pretty much use it every single day, because if I'm going to be exercising and I'm going to be sweating, put dry shampoo in first and just kind of like don't rub it in, just kind of like put it in and let it absorb the oil and sweat as I work out, and then kind of like work it through. So yeah, I use a lot of it, and it can be like a lot on your hair, you know, so it's nice to detox that off. I feel like I just explained that for 10 minutes. Wow, she's talkative. We have one more product. Okay, this is Cella, and it says, does that say Vella Beauty? Hello Beautiful. This is a little eyeshadow quad. I think I've gotten a palette from them, and I don't know if I actually used it or not, because just the amount of shadows that I get sometimes is just like insane, and I purchased them too, obviously. But this is cute. I mean, it's pretty natural, but I like that it's more like, what would you say, like burgundy, rosy. It's kind of cute. I do like the colors. I don't know if I'll keep this for myself, but this would be a really great travel eyeshadow palette, because it's really small, but I would just have to see the formula first. So I may wind up trying this out, or I may give this to someone, because for someone who is not crazy about makeup like me, this would be great because it's so simple and it's so like easy to use, quick. So yeah, that's pretty cute. I mean, I'm not mad at that. So I think this is a really nice glam bag, because we got an eyeshadow quad, mini shampoo, mini moisturizer, but it's Tatcha, so that makes it more special to me. And then we got eyeshadow primer, and then the Rena gloss. So overall, I think this is a really nice IPSY bag. I'm excited. I totally forgot that I didn't show you. First of all, this was in my box. I'm assuming that this was just something that they put into the creator boxes for the month, but it didn't really say anything about it. It's just gold, and it's like a satin like a satin scarf. I don't use scarves, but I do sleep with like a satin pillowcase. But I wonder, I'm sure you could do so many things with this. Let me know, what would you do with this? It's this big, and it's like a square, so you could do like, you could do a lot with this, you know? You could like use it as a head, like a, you know what I'm talking about, right? You could do it like that. You could put it around your neck, I guess, tie it on your purse. You could put it somehow like over your hair as you sleep. But what would you do with that? Let me know some ideas, okay? But it's really pretty. Look at that gold. So soft and so smooth. All right, finally, our IPSY Glam Bag Plus. And I think I didn't like deep dive into this. I try not to know every single thing about the products before I film, because that would be disingenuous. Is that it? But I think there's 6 products in here, so that's probably just a mistake, but let's see. First up, we got the Butter Vitamin C Serum. So this is brightening and antioxidants. I've not heard of this brand, but it says it's by Dorian Renewal. I don't know who that is. butter. The lipstick at this point in time is getting kind of thick. It says for people of rich melanin skin. I'm assuming like anybody can use this. It wouldn't hurt me, you know, but it is more designed for deeper complexions, which is cool because, I mean, let's just admit, people of color have kind of been left out a lot when it comes to like skincare and how they target skincare, you know. So that is the serum. I'm definitely going to give it a try, and I like the name Buddha. So that's our first item. Next up, we got Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I wonder if like one of these is the extra product because it's both serums, you know. But this is glycolic, salicylic, and L-ascorbic acids. This is definitely up my alley. It seems like something that's going to like help your skin kind of renew while you sleep. It says it revitalizes dull looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkles, large pores, age spots, uneven skin tone, and yeah, so I think I have a serum from Dermalect, but I do not believe it's the same one, but I want to say it's like packaged the exact same. So I don't know, I do like when it's like the bottles are a little bit different so that you know, even if it's just like color or something, because I feel like I have another serum that looks identical but it's different, but I could be wrong, who knows. That's our second product. And then we got Murad Renewing Eye Cream. So their Renewal line I think is for fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, it's peptides for firming and minimizing look of fine lines and wrinkles. Yes, I remembered. So I love getting eye creams. I don't get them all the time. Next up is the Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub from Theory Body. So that's what it looks like. I am not one to use charcoal on the body just because it's absorbent. Apart from my scalp, I don't have like oily skin whatsoever. And not that it would be bad by any means to use it once or twice or here and there. I just don't really put charcoal on my body. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to reduce my moisture. Anyway, so I'm not really like super excited about this one, but I'll, you know, maybe give it a try, or I'll definitely give it to Zach. He likes charcoal body scrubs, so if I get them randomly, he usually gets them. We also got the Jacka Black Play Pot, vegan and cruelty free. I don't know what their play pots are, not heard of them. It's Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. The name Play Pot makes me think like you can do a lot with it. Yeah, eyes, lips, and cheeks. So that's pretty much it. Do whatever you want with it. And it just looks like gold. That's the lid and the inside. It's like a gold like putty. Oh, it's pretty gold. Okay, that's interesting. I'm gonna like put some on my hand. It's like not quite as bold, but it's like the cream version of Trophy Wife. It's what it reminds me of. It's kind of glossy looking though. So, okay, I'll have to try that. I mean, I'm sure I can find some way to incorporate it. Yeah, I mean, that's that. Last up, we have a product that I really like. This is the El Maquillage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. This is the one that I've had from them that I really enjoy. So that's what the brush looks like, kind of rubbery bristles, and it's kind of like curved so that it is just like thickest in the middle of the brush, but smaller on the ends, which is nice because if it's like big everywhere, sometimes it's hard, you know, like you go in with a big bristle in the inner corner and you just make a mess. So this is nice. You've got like control on the end and then thicker in the middle. I like it. I like it a lot. So in our plus, once again, I feel like I've just gotten one too many products. So anyway, we got Il Maquillage Mascara, our Gold Play Pot Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub. We got Butter Serum and Dermalect Serum. And then we got our Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Really excited about that one. I'm not as keen for the items in this bag. Maybe it's just because I don't know the products, you know, after I use them, I can be more excited about them. But so far, I'm just really happy to get the Murad Eye Cream and the Il Maquillage Mascara. And the serums are nice, but I'll just have to try them, you know? So that is our Glam Bag Plus. And of course, the regular Glam Bag you saw. I really love the print. I love the green, like lime green touch to it. So let me know what you think about my bags. Even though this is smaller sizes, I'm kind of like more enjoying this assortment personally than our plus, but you know, I liked them. And don't forget, let me know what you do with this. You know, what would you do with this thing? I feel like a matador for a moment. Does that make sense? Is that what, you know? Anyway, so I hope you guys have an amazing night. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.